Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi and I'm vegetarian. My channel is about being healthy and living better than I did yesterday. I don't usually cook things like this, but it's an alternative to conventional soya chunks or tofu. It is also a soya-based product with a different flavor. So gather up the ingredients listed in the description box below and let's get started. In a small bowl, mix together the ketchup, soy sauce, pepper sauce or hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and set aside. Heat the oil. Now add in the pimento, garlic and ginger and stir fry till golden. Add the cabbage and bell peppers and cook until the peppers turn bright green. Throw in the veggie chicken nuggets or strips and stir well. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the cover and add the ketchup mixture and stir to coat everything. Mix the cornstarch in half cup of water and stir well to dilute. Pour the cornstarch into the pot and mix well. It will thicken up really fast, so keep the heat down low. Stir. Add about a quarter cup of water and stir again. I did not add any extra salt because the ketchup, soy sauce and hot sauce had enough salt. Plus the nuggets come pre-seasoned. If you need salt, you can add to your taste. Turn off the heat and serve with your favorite noodles, rice, pasta, salad or macaroni pie. Here I'm having it with my deliciously moist corn pie. I'll link that recipe down below. If you enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for chilling with H today, and I'll see you in the next video.